Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madeline and today I'm doing a small haul. There's a bit of a trend for 2021. I am buying a good amount of stuff, but reasonable things that I think are perfect for this time of year and especially for the climate that we're in right now with quarantine like 4.0 it feels like. So I actually bought a few things from SHEIN, or SHEIN side. I think it's just called SHEIN now. And this company has been around for a long time. I believe they are located in China and they have just a whole host of really trendy clothing items. I know that shopping this way is not the most sustainable and I don't want to get too political about it, but I found that they have actually really good quality stuff. I've bought some great swimsuits. I've had some really good luck with shopping online at some of these international stores, and there's just something about these little zippy bags that everything comes in. I actually like to use these for like flip-flops, traveling, that sort of thing. So really great reusable packaging here. Now the first piece I got is actually a 3-piece suit and all of this came to I think just under $50. Really great pricing. So the first item is a pair of pants. Now this black pair is more of a polyester material, so probably not as cozy as the other one I'm going to show you. It came with a long like cardigan robe, which is one of the main reasons why I purchased this. The third piece here is the little like tank top. This actually looks really generously sized, so I'll show you how it looks, and I believe I got the size small. Traditionally these stores don't really have the most generous of sizing, so I think this will be a great fit. But I'm going to try all of these on and I will put a video clip here to tell you how they fit. This is the first set here. Oh my god, these pants, I am dying. They're like straight from my closet 12 years ago. I'm 5'6" or so in height and these pants go just to the floor. They could have used a little bit more length for me, but of course they're meant for home wear. This is really a lounge set. Really cute. Again, I feel a little bit witchy in this cardigan, but it's exactly what I wanted. I probably could have done without this one just because it is that kind of cold feeling 97% polyester, 3% spandex material, a bit bathing suity. But if I were to put like a little pin, I could definitely wear this around. You could answer the door in this and not look like a total slob. So it's cute. I am quite surprised. So the pants are tight around my thighs. I'm about a size 2 in pants. Again, this is the small size, and then the top is fine. I'm usually an extra small in tops, so there is some room. It's not skin tight. I probably could use this actually for working out, and that's what I was originally thinking I could use this for too, because I don't typically lounge around in like little bralettes. Yeah, really cool. This is a fun cardigan, but not as cozy as I wanted. Really long length though, so here you have it. Overall, really like the whole look. The second item I got comes in this bag here, and I actually want to show you just how beautifully these were folded. Here's the bag. You undo the slide zip here. Again, it's just really soft, nice plastic that you can recycle. And then here we go. Folded up, as I said, so beautifully. And this is the long cardigan here. And this actually has space for a belt. So this was just a one piece here, and this is the belt. Really nice. It doesn't smell the freshest. It almost smells like a hotel, but no, this is great. Not as soft as I was expecting, but it is actually more of a thick material, which is quite nice. It's not super stretchy. So the main reason why I wanted to get these robes is because I wanted a sleeve that's a bit more snug, because all of my robes have these like long billowy sleeves. Not only do they get burned when I'm in the kitchen area, but they're just not the most practical, or when I'm doing my makeup. Like, I don't want these sleeves kind of, bouncing around. So these all had really tight sleeves, and I made sure to look at all the photos and all of the customer photos too. That's what's great about SHEIN. There's a ton of customer submitted photos, which is amazing. You never see that anywhere else, so they've done an incredible job with that. And this in particular, I made sure to look at the composition. So this one is 95% cotton, 5% spandex. You can machine wash it. and I'm so excited just to have a nice long bathrobe. And believe me, you guys, I looked at a lot of local retailers. I could not find a robe that really suited my needs, so I'm really happy to find an option here, and if I like the fit, I'll definitely look for a more locally made, more conscious brand, you could say. But let's try them on and I will tell you how they fit. Okay, so this second one is absolutely perfect. This is exactly what I wanted, and I feel like once I washed it a few times, it's gonna get a bit softer. It feels almost like it has like a treating on it. But this is so cute. It, again, is really comfortable. It's something that I could, you know, throw on over even like a collared shirt or something during the day and not feel, again, like I'm wearing total pajamas. But it is very, very nice, long fitting, all the way past the knee, and that is exactly what I wanted. Something that could keep me a bit warm on the legs, but looks really nice. The sleeves are not skin tight, but they do get a little bit more snug with a cuff around the wrists here. Really nice long length at the arms. I really did need to buy at least 2 sets to make, I think, free shipping. But overall, I would absolutely recommend this. I think it was just about $25 or so. Really cute, great fit, and I think it's going to be well loved. So there you have it, a successful haul from SHEIN. I think I maybe only waited 3 weeks max for the package to arrive. It was in amazing condition, and I am super thrilled with the pieces I got. I'll be sure to leave the direct links to them down below, especially if they are still available. Go grab them all you can. Let me know if you've ever shopped at SHEIN, and if you have any faves that I need to try. I would love to do that and make another order to show you guys how they work. So thanks again. Like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe for more, and I will see you soon. Bye!